Welcome back to Kinsey Performance and Tuning. We are standing in front of a 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro, and customer brought it in and wanted a Westcott Designs lift kit put on it. So it included front upper coil spring spacers, and then the lower spring mounts had to be changed out as well. Front bump stop extenders. Super clean vehicle, and they do use it off-road. And then in the back they had coil spring bump stop extenders that bolt to the top. Everything's billet. Super cool kit. I don't have any video of the install. Westcott Designs, I'll maybe link it in the video, has a really great video on installation. The only thing it's missing basically is torque specs, which I dug out and torqued everything when it was done. Pretty straightforward install. A lot of dirt from a lot of different places on this thing, but it's a super clean vehicle, and it was a fun install. The only thing that I see as a potential issue is when you're at full suspension droop, the upper A-arm does hit right here on the spring, but that's at full droop. So I mean, if you're really off-roading it, if you got a tire off the ground, you're gonna be rubbing that spring, but obviously there's nothing really you can do about that other than put in some new, probably upper control arms would be my guess. So the kit was very complete, and I was impressed with it. Good quality stuff and a great vehicle. Ended up raising the front 2 1/8 inches, both sides, and in the back it raised it 1.25 inches. It sits really nice, just about perfectly level.